Hello traders, I welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm just going to be showing you how to use the CCI Alert Indicator for MT4. In the description below, you're going to find the link to download the indicator. After downloading the indicator, just head on to your indicators folder for MT4, right, MQL4 indicators, and then just paste the indicator in here. Okay, once you're done with that, you head back to your MT4 terminal and you just refresh your navigator and just look for the CCI Alert Indicator. Okay, drag and drop. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. And then for your input settings, we can see these are the customizable settings here: the CCI period, the CCI price, upper trigger level, lower trigger level, critical level, histogram, true or false. Okay, the alerts, true or false. Then we can see all these, right? So if you are the kind of trader seeking momentum based signals, then the CCI indicator could be a valuable addition for you to your trading toolkit. Okay, could be a valuable addition. I just went and put the indicator again. I wanted it to reverse to the default settings. Okay, so as you can see, that default settings is not in the form of histogram, right? Well, I should have just changed this from true to false. Okay, so if you set this at true, you will notice that it's going to be histogram bars, right? But then if it is set at false, you're going to see that it's just going to be this line. Okay, so let us work with this. Now, if you are conversant with the regular CCI indicator, the traditional CCI indicator, you know that it also works with in the form of line. Okay, so what you should be looking out for is the direction of the indicator line and the position within this indicator window. So when the indicator has gone up almost to the extreme top, you will know that most likely a reversal could be imminent, just like what we can see that happened here. A reversal took place right after the indicator had gotten almost to the extreme top. And then when the indicator gets to the extreme bottom, you will notice that there could be a possibility of a reversal. Remember, no indicator is foolproof. So there is no guarantee that immediately the indicator gets to the extreme, there will be a reversal. You can see what happened here. The indicator got to the extreme. There was no reversal. There was just a slight pullback. In fact, this isn't really a pullback, because it was more like a consolidation, right? And then despite the fact that the indicator was going down, the trend remained bullish. So the indicator had to reset in order to get back to the lower level to give a buy signal, right? So when a trend is bullish, I will recommend looking for only buy signals to be on the safer side. And when the trend is bearish, I will recommend looking for only sell signals to be on the safer side. Okay, so that is it, guys. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now. Don't forget to turn on your notifications as well, so you don't miss out on more valuable content like this. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, then there is a possibility that you might not see me again. Okay, but if you want to see me again to learn more about indicators, then don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. Thank you for watching. Cheers and God bless.